People most definitely don't read anymore. Want to know how I know? Because you're literally eating chalk every single day, and the label told you so. You just didn't read it. Well, that's what this channel is for. I read the labels for you. Then I show you how to make your favorite comfort foods without all those harmful additives. I tell you what to avoid, and then I give you better alternatives to the chemicals hiding in everyday food. And yes, my content is unserious and slightly chaotic, because who said cooking had to be glamorous? I'm a mom of 6, including an infant and a toddler, and sometimes food just needs to get done. Oil might pop here and there.
Are you turning the volume up on this?
You gotta be quiet.
Kids can be loud. A swear word might slip out. But the end result is always going to be delicious food without that junk. People keep asking for my recipes all the time. I give them the recipes, and then a week later, guess what they do? They ask again. So I made this my permanent recipe hub. Don't ask for my recipes, people. Watch them instead. Click the link in my bio to start watching. Follow and subscribe for food.